guys, I had this crazy idea to make magnetic shoes and skate them on a metal skateboard. I'm not sure if I still have a metal skateboard here, and I'm not sure if I can make the metal shoes that will work. So let's go to my favorite store in the whole world, Home Depot, and see what we can find. The greatest store on earth, Home Depot. If you want to sponsor me, Home Depot, leave it in the comments below. Can you imagine a Home Depot sponsorship? I'd get all the paper towels I ever wanted.
Wait, Aaron, can you remind me what the date is?
The date?
Yeah.
No idea.
It's October 26th. Look at this.
It's not even Halloween yet. Doesn't matter, we skipped Halloween.
What are we looking for here?
So we're looking for magnets. And not only magnets, but then we need something to fasten it to the shoes. I'm pretty sure I know exactly what to get, so I'm really excited about this. Every time I come to Home Depot, I end up in this aisle because it's the greatest aisle in Home Depot. Yes, sir. Okay, magnets. I came here the other day and I found some magnets and I thought, wow, please be there. So I don't even know we need that one. So this is what I was thinking. 2 of these on each shoe. Like, you think that's strong enough to hold the board? Okay, we're gonna get these one. And then also, does this fit on the shoe? Like, that was my concept. The big question is, leave it in the comments if you think this will work. I wanna put these on the bottom of a shoe, and then I'm gonna jump, and I want the board to jump with me solely based on the magnetic pull. Let's go. How do you just get a simple washer these days? So this is gonna go inside the shoe, the hardware is gonna go in there, and then the bottom part, the nut, is gonna go in the middle of this. And we're just gonna have to find the perfect hardware, and we might need to grind it down inside there, which will be crazy. Magnet source, round base magnet. We got these. I'm pretty sure we have hardware. I hope this is gonna work.
Oh no, why? Why did you do that?
Oh no.
You shouldn't have done
It's
that.
actually so strong.
One concern.
What?
For our magnetic experts, these are brittle.
No way.
So you gotta be very careful. You might actually only get one try.
Like that, it goes down, and then it basically just...
Why don't you take the insole out?
So I was replying to comments the other day, and this guy was like, yeah, how's it going with your house building? And I was like, oh no, I don't actually build houses. He thought full on. Before I did Braille skateboarding, I built houses. And I was like, no, it was actually just like a running joke because I'm so bad at building things. Okay, so just pretty much just straight through. Actually, there's already a hole pre-fixed for me.
Oh.
We looking good.
Oh, dude. That is perfect. That is the shot. Yes, dude.
See, the thing that we usually run into is like the screws are too long, or you have to shave it down, or it doesn't quite work.
Not today.
Look at that.
Not today, sir.
Not today, Satan. I mean, if it doesn't work as an actual magnet shoe, it just looks dope. So we just roll these. The question is though, how am I gonna get this side in?
Just drill through this side.
So your foot bends about right there. So we want this one kind of on the toe more, I think. Oh, my finger! Just kidding. What if God was one of us? Oh!
That is looking good. Oh no. I love that sound.
Yeah, that is looking pretty good.
Dang, that's legit. Man, this is going way better than the one time we tried to magnetically attach trucks to a skateboard. That was still pretty cool though. You got the washer in there, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Dude, that's fire! This may be the best thing I've ever made. Let's test it.
Success. Let me take care of that for you all. You're building the next one.
No. pull it off of there, Cruz.
Oh, that's picking up a board.
For sure. I'm surprised you got it off of there. I guess you do work out.
Look at.
Where's my phone, bro?
This is one shoe.
I told you.
This is one
That's why I'm saying we could have bought the cheaper magnets.
Oh, this is one of your greatest ideas yet. Just leave it there. Look at it. Just look at it.
I can't even get it off. Oh, the second one was much easier, I guess, because we already knew what to do.
Look at that. 2 down.
Perfection. Slide this bad boy in there. I guess we just rock it.
Ooh.
So the big mystery though, because not all metal is gonna magnetize.
Like this.
Yeah, nothing.
No. Oh.
One of them. It only took one.
Yeah. This is a good test right here because this is the heaviest board we currently have except for the chain link one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even want to play games. That's gonna fall.
Easy.
Easy money. That's actually crazy though.
I do know exactly what one you're talking about.
The
I think
titanium?
we should pause it and go look for it and then come back to it.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we finally found the board I was looking for. This one, I believe it's titanium, but titanium's magnetic, right?
I believe so.
If not, then this Hoonigan one's gonna work for sure.
That's steel.
I almost want to use metal board, metal trucks, metal wheels.
I think you just let that drop to let people see how heavy this is.
Shout out Hoonigan. Body. This is probably one of the best You Make It We Skate It's we ever got. Like in terms of the quality of just the craftsmanship. I don't know how they did the B like that, but it's so sick. Somebody put this truck on, it looks very crooked. But other than that, this is the moment of truth right here. Also the grip tape on there might. No! Somebody in the comments is gonna be like, these guys are so dumb.
I just tried one thing real quick.
Yeah.
It never gets old.
Magneto. So it does work.
That's gonna work.
Okay, look at how fire that is.
Woo!
You know what I just realized? It's also super sick. Metal board, metal trucks, metal wheels, metal bearings, metal, everything. We could fully light everything on fire. Isn't that exciting? Maybe more exciting for some than others, I guess. Okay, these are size 11 shoes, but they're feeling and looking pretty fly, ain't gonna lie. What should we build next? Leave it in the comments below. See, I love doing builds because I think it's exciting. Like you never know what's gonna happen, you're waiting to see.
You ready?
Yeah. Should I just go? Okay, the moment of truth. The moment you've all been waiting for. Can Aaron 1 foot kickflip?
Oh no!
You think? No, this is actually the moment of truth.
But oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, you ready? Yes! It feels so wrong, yet so right at the same time. Dude, it's actually incredible. Whoa. Okay, it does lift it all the way up though. You ready?
Yeah. Oh!
Okay, so I think that mission 1 is mission accomplished. Try and get a better jump there. It's interesting though, because sometimes it comes out.
I think what you got to do is be super gradual with it.
Yeah, so if it's like this, just boom.
Perfect.
I mean, 1 foot, it lifts the whole board.
What you can do is try it like ski style. Oh, what?
You know what I think? It's because it's how fast. Because watch how, like I pull watch my right foot, I can just like yank it. Too fast though, right?
Okay.
But if we just pull it, and I suppose we should have just known that. It's gotta be like a slow pull. I wanna like ride in there and then jump off and then stick to the ramp. Who ready? ASMR.
How's the balance?
Dude, it's extra scary because you honestly never know what's gonna happen.
Whoa! Whoa!
Holy mother.
Can we get a damage report?
I don't think there's any damage. I think they're fine. Oh no! Oh no!
I told you.
You're right. This one's good though.
Dude, you could hit the most insane boneless with this.
Or could you?
Oh!
Sketch, right? No comply.
Do you think the kickflip is possible?
I don't know. Mowgli, you want to try this?
Dude, that's crazy.
That's why I love you. What do we got here, Mo? Ken from Street Fighter meets Goku.
Aaron, would you say that this is a very attractive idea?
I would say that you're magnetic.
Wow. Oh!
That is one thing I was definitely not trying to do.
Oh!
This is crazy.
Hey, would you say that you're an expert in your magnetic field?
Yes.
Come on, Mo!
Pull it up.
Uzi, how much force do you think each one of these magnets has in pounds?
50?
95. Be safe, Mo.
Yeah.
Man, it works good.
It does work good.
Hit the rail.
We finally made something.
Hey, if we're skating magnets, we can't call this a rail. We call that the North Pole.
That was heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy metal.
Dark slide? Yeah.
It's weird, right? Sometimes it really pulls and sometimes it doesn't.
Wow. Dang, if only we had a lighter metal board.
I know.
And someone should just send us one.
If you can make a lighter metal board that still is magnetic like this, send it to us. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.
You don't even have to pop, Mo. It literally just
I
gets speed.
to test this, I was just gonna jump like this. And do that.
Yep.
You got it.
No, I think it's so funny is like ancient civilizations would see this and be like, oh my gosh, aliens.
They were so advanced. He's not gonna be able to get up there. Watch this.
Hey, if he lands this, it's a steal. Oh, that looked sick.
That was amazing. That worked really well.
How'd it feel? Like, try to explain what it felt like.
When you see the crane pick up the car and it just doesn't let go, yeah, that's what it felt like.
That's 2 videos in the last 2 weeks that people have felt like cars.
Yeah, car it up.
Oh!
We gotta do some tricks. Give it the old wang danga.
Oh!
Whoa! It's like you're off balance and your feet are just stuck.
Wow.
That was magnetic. All right, I think I can heel flip too. I think that's all I got, Cruz. You could try on the vert ramp.
Oh, not the vert ramp.
Why do I feel like my life is about to end before my eyes?
You survived the glass.
Yeah, barely. Oh, boy. There's something just very not right about it.
What just happened?
My ankle was so stuck it didn't leave the board.
That looked horrible. Pass it on.
Get these things off of me.
Excellent job.
Damage report. This one's definitely broken though. I don't know. I think that's about all we got. Outro? All right, what crazy skateboard invention should we build next? Leave it in the comments below. I'll check it out and I'll take the favorite one of mine and I'll decide to build it and I'll build it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all those other videos right there. And we are making these so you, yes, you can get inspired to learn to skateboard. So we have all kinds of learn to skateboard videos, as well as everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com to get started in your skateboard journey. We'll see you out there getting your shred on. Yee!